Welcome to the live community experience inside the Miami Visuals platform. In this video, let's start by walking you through the full experience, exactly how a community member would explore your community website after logging in. This is the welcome area. This is where you can greet your members, set expectations, and share an intro video or message. Add text, videos, and even community updates to make sure everyone feels at home. Next, we have the Community Forum, a space for your members to engage, ask questions, and share thoughts. Users can create posts, add images or polls, and others can reply, react, and upvote, just like a social media feed, but built around your course. This is the discussion area, a real-time chat environment, similar to Slack or Discord, perfect for ongoing conversations, quick help, and daily interaction among your members. Now, let's dive into the courses. Each course can be organized into structured page groups, complete with videos, lessons, files, and progress tracking. In this course, we've embedded a video lesson using the Secure Video widget. Members can watch, comment, react, and the system tracks their progress automatically, including completion rates. Here's a course using the Video Playlist widget, perfect for organizing multiple lessons. Members can watch in sequence, and playlists even support autoplay and thumbnails. This page lets you share files, whether PDFs, worksheets, or templates. Each download can be styled with icons, descriptions, and tracking. Want to create a visual lesson or ebook experience? Use image galleries, headings, and styled layouts to guide your users through beautifully designed content. This is the live stream page. You can embed any YouTube or Vimeo live link here and create a dedicated space for your events or webinars. Add a live badge to let members know when a session is happening. Users get real-time notifications for mentions, replies, reactions, and course updates, keeping them engaged and informed. You can also enable email alerts for unread notifications. The entire experience is mobile responsive, optimized to look and feel like a native app. Menus, profiles, courses, and chat all function seamlessly on any device. Each member has their own profile, complete with avatar, bio, social links, and activity tracking. Now let's go to the Community Builder, and we'll teach you how to build your community. Updates in the Miami Visuals platform. We have a new feature, the communities, and a new update on the videos. Have the ability to create your communities, your courses, your learning management systems, your videos, playlists, etc. There is so much more in this update. So, let me do a quick overview and basically how you can create your own social platform within the websites. There is so much to cover. And we'll have new videos about every single aspect of this overview. Now, from the website homepage, you can find the community on the menu at the top. Click on Community. This is a brand new area to help you to organize it in a more compact way. In the community dashboard, you have the ability to track everybody that joined your communities. The Circles tab are where the communities are located, which we also call them circles. The Members tab, here we'll find who has joined the communities. The Moderation tab, in here you can view all of the posts and walls, the comments and everything. You can moderate it from here as an admin. And the Settings tab, where you can add the community URL and customize the page template. Creating a circle is very simple. Let's click Add Circle. In here are templates that we have created, and we'll be creating more soon. Let's select this community template. This is how the template looks from the Community Builder perspective. You can customize these templates completely, just like customizing a website. Changing texts, colors, add or remove pages, change the theme, tweak layouts, and making everything truly yours. It's like creating your own private social platform, tailored to your brand and audience. But for now, I'll jump on a community courses design our team made for you, and we will teach you how we customized and created the design it. Now this is the community area. On the top, we have the circle settings. Click on the gear icon, which includes all the whole community settings, such as the name, the things you want to show, the access levels, if it's open to everybody, if it's logged in members, grouped, or if it's paid content. To unlock these other features, let's click on Upgrade. In here you can subscribe to the best plan for your business. There is also enrollment required option if you need people to click a button to join the community. Then circle categories and circle styling. Click on Style. You can also style everything, like what we usually do on the website builder. You can style it to look however you want, compact to wide. If you want people to start with a compact view and then expand it, you have this ability to customize everything. You can adjust it to a dark theme or light theme. Add the member's profile. You can also add an image or an icon to the circle's profile image. You can play around and fully customize the looks of your communities. Let's click outside to exit. You can also see the analytics in here, just like in the main dashboard. Click on the graph icon on the menu. In here, you'll see the analytics of the community members and the revenue. Click on Members at the top. In here, you'll see all the members who joined. Then click on Content. In here, you'll see all the content of your courses in the community. Be able to track the completion rate. And for paid contents, we can see here the purchase rate. Let's click outside to exit. Located on your screen, on the left side, we have the navigation area. And on the right is the content area. Now on the menu on the left side, click on the plus icon. Just like a website, you can drag and drop elements and customize it however you want. In here, we have the updated video widget and the new widgets, which we will cover further on the video. Let's click outside to exit. Next is the page settings. Click on the gear icon. This is the settings of the page itself. In here, you'll be able to change the page name in anything that you want to replace the template, the URL, description, and more. And again, you have the access levels. On the content availability, we have the drip, a setting where the content comes out after a member has been in the community for a specific time. You can upgrade your plan to be able to access this. Then the availability after completion of another page or course. And lastly, the schedule option. So you can customize how and when your content will be available. Click outside to exit the settings. Next is the analytics of the page itself and its performance. Click on the graph icon. In here, you'll see the individual performance of each page you have. Right now, the analytics is empty, but this will populate once you have active members in the community. Click outside to exit. Then we have the View tab. Click on the eye icon. This View tab works like the website view in the Builder. In here, you will be able to see through the perspective of the members in the live website. Let's exit the preview. Click on the X button on the upper right. Now we're back to the Community Builder. Next is the fun part, the community elements. Click on the plus icon on the left menu and scroll down to see the community widgets. You can add these new widgets to any page, which are the circles, comment area, discussion, reviews, and the wall forum widget. Now, this is the welcome area that we created. In here, you can have a title, text, and your content of choice. In this case, we use the video widget and a comment area widget, which we will show further in the video. Remember, just drag and drop widgets to the content area, just like creating a website. After the welcome area, we have the forums. The forum is a page we created to provide a space where members can get help from peers or experts and to create ongoing communication and support. In this case, we have the wall forum widget. Here you'll see and create posts like in any social media platform, with great interactions that you'll see in a moment. Posts, comments, reactions, everything that you can imagine. Let's add a fresh wall forum widget for you to see. Click on the plus icon on the menu on the left. Just drag and drop the wall forum widget on the content area. To turn a wall into a forum, click on the widget and click on the gear icon. In here, you can set it from single wall to multiple walls. Now, this is the settings for each wall on your multiple wall forum. Add your custom wall name if you want to show the full post right away or keep it compact. Settings on who can post on your wall, and the comment section settings for the wall. Click outside to exit the wall settings. You can change the view style to row view, column view, or sidebar view. I'll keep row view. Remember, you can drag the setting pop-up to the left or right so you can see what's at the back of it. You can also add more walls to this multiple wall that you created just by clicking on the Add Wall button. Then dark theme and height adjustment to expand the wall viewport. Let's click outside to exit. Next, we have the open discussion page that we created. In here, we use the discussion widget, which is for communication, similar to Slack and Discord messaging, where members can have a space for a continuous flow of messaging, which we will discuss further in the video. Next, we have the course in here, which is basically a page group. To create a page group, click Add button and click Page Group. This is made to organize your courses, videos, and single pages that you want to group. So in here, we have course number 1, which is a group, and we have 3 pages inside of it. Each page has this check mark, which is for content tracking. To set this, click on the gear icon and click Page Settings. In here, you will find the Track Content Completion to enable the tracking. With this option, people will be able to mark what they completed, and you will be able to track members' progress and release content. You also able to change the icon of your courses in here. Click outside to exit settings. You can customize your courses however you want. Next is the Course 2, which we created for videos. Remember, you can rename your page groups however you want. In here, you will notice that we did not use the icon for the subcourses. Instead, we added the thumbnail of the video inside it. To do this, click on the gear icon and click on Page Settings. Scroll down. In here, we chose Image instead of the icon. Just click on this area and a window will pop up. You can click Upload File to upload your image. Once it's uploaded, click on it and click Select. Click outside to exit the settings. Let's check out the next page. In here we have the Video Playlist widget, and we will cover that further on the video, which you can also check it out now. It's available on the widgets. Next is the Course 3 page group. On this page, we are able to share files with the members using a button. To do this, click on the plus icon on menu on the left. Drag and drop the button widget to the content area. Add a text on the button. Add a second line if you want. Here I'll add an icon. Click on the icon to change it, and choose the icon that you like. Now let's attach a file to the button. Click Add Link, click File, and click on this empty area. Then upload a file. Once done, click on it and click Select, and let it open in a new tab. Then click Select and click outside to exit. Remember, don't forget to always save your progress. We have Course 4, a section we created for images. If you want a section that looks like an ebook, you can create a page like this. Just go to the widgets, then drag and drop the image widget to the content area to have an image. Add a heading widget for the title, a text area, then other contents that you want to add. You can also add a gallery like this if you want to add multiple images in one page. You can customize the pages however you want. Next is the webinar page. We created this page to show that you can share a live stream through the community using the video widget. Remember, these pages are customizable and you can do whatever you want. In this case, it's not an area specifically made for live streams, but we want to show you that you are capable of having an area for it. To do this, click on the plus icon on the menu. Drag and drop the video widget. Then the setting will open. From here, click on Link. And on this video source, you can share the link of your live stream. Once you go live on YouTube, click on the share button in there. Then just copy and paste the URL in here. You can add a thumbnail on the video. You can also enable a custom video player that will follow the styling of your community, and add a shadow on the widget if you want. Then click outside to exit the settings. Then save your progress. You would also notice on this page, we have a live badge in here. To do this, click on the gear icon, then click Page Settings and scroll down to the end. In here, click Add Badge. Then type what you would like to show up on the badge. Then click outside to exit. To have this green color, click on the main circle settings, which will be found on the gear icon at the top. In here, click on Circle Styling. Scroll down to the end and click Text Styling. Now from here, you'll see the color of your badge. Add the color that you want to set for your badges. Then let's click outside 3 times to exit the settings. The word circle or circles is just another term for communities. Alright, so that's part 1 of the new update. Hope you liked the video. We have more updates coming to the platform soon. Let us know in the comments what you think about these cool new features. And don't forget to check out part 2. It's already live and packed with even more updates you won't want to miss. This is Miami Visuals. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.